Gusto ko lang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako. Ano ulit? Ang gusto ko lang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako. Hello my dear Pisces. Hello. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader, at ang gagawin natin ngayon, my dear, is yung ating daily reading para po ito sa araw ng June 4, 2026. Itingnan natin, my dear, kung ano mga eksena, kaganapan at kung ano-ano pa na maaari mong makasalubong sa araw na ito. Pero before tayo, my dear, mag-start ng ating reading, magpapasalamat po muna ako. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga abangers, sa mga walang sawang nag-aabang at naghihintay ng kanilang readings. Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa mga napadaan at napasilip lang sa ating channel. Thank you so much for dropping by, and thank you po sa mga bago nating subscribers, yung mga napa-subscribe, napa-click ng subscribe button, napa-click din ang notification bell so you will be updated every time na meron tayong mga bagong uploads. May pag ganon. Ayan, thank you so much, my dear. Welcome po sa ating channel. Welcome. I hope, my dear, na mag-enjoy ka dito at mahanap mo, my dear, kung ano man ang iyong hinahanap sa buhay. Okay, sana I can provide it for you. Okay. Dalawang shuffle pa, my dear. Okay? Huwag ka magtaka, my dear, kung bakit tinatago ko yung pagsha-shuffle. Kasi lately napansin ko, my dear, na pag nakikita ko yung card, nagiging very distracted ako. Kaya, it's either I close my eyes or tinatago ko yung card, okay? Pero sa pagkakataon na ito, dahil may camera sa harapan ko, I need to tago it, okay? So you don't see the card, para dun sa mga kagaya ko na sensitive at kagad na nakakakuha ng mga information pag nakakakita ng cards, okay? I do it for you, okay? And I do it for myself also, para pag sumilip ang aking isang mata or aking dalawang mata, accidentally na pa-open siya, hindi natin ma-receive ang mga message ng mga cards kasi hindi pa natin sila nakikita. And sa reading natin today, my dear Pisces, isasama natin ang ating customized Oracle card, Tarot card. Okay, pero most of the time, ito lang talaga ang nagagamit. May tamang panahon para dito. Ito lang talaga ang nagagamit na si Capre. Okay, pinangalan ko to or inspired by Capricorn. Okay, ito si Capre, my dear. Say hello kay Capre. Hello. Ayan, say hello kay Capre. Say hello kayo kay Capre. Okay? So, my dear, let's start your reading. Kagaya po ng lagi kong nasasabi, ang tanging hiling at dasal ko lamang po sa ating buong may kapal na mga readings na ginagawa ko ay nakakatulong po sa ating lahat. Let's go, my dear Pisces. Bakit yan? Ito muna. 4 cards. We have here surprise. Okay, meron tayong surprise card. Next natin is Aquarius. Okay. So, dalawa to, my dear. Possible that maybe pa. You are dealing with the Aquarius, my dear. Maybe Aquarius will surprise you, okay? Or connected to sa energy mo or frequency mo. Si Aquarius is related sa energy ng hope and dreams, my dear. So, just in case, kung ano man tong surprise na to ay may kinalaman sa yung hope and dreams, sa yung mga manifestation. Sa isang bagay, my dear, na matagal mo nang tinatrabaho at matagal nang naniniwala ka na darating ang araw na makakamit mo at ma-achieve mo kung ano man tong bagay na ito. Okay? Let me see, my dear. We have here, they love the way you think. Okay. Meron tayong they love the way that, ano daw? They love the way you think. Okay. Next is, we have here, somebody makes a contract signing with a devil. Ay, definitely hindi ikaw to. Maybe you still have haters, okay? Maybe there are some people talaga, my dear, now no matter what we do is hindi na talaga sila magbabago because this is a fixed energy, my dear. Somebody makes a contract with the devil, so definitely, my dear, this is a surprise na makukuha mo connected sa mga hope and dreams mo, my dear, na may kinalaman kay Aquarius, my dear, or maybe din naman sa maybe Aquarius zodiac sign will not be happy, my dear. So titingnan natin mamaya, okay? Pero somebody, my dear, is hindi magiging masaya sa kung ano man tong good energy or surprise na parating sa'yo, my dear. They love the way you think. I can feel, my dear, na this is a recognition. Okay, this is more on parang appreciation, my dear, about how you handle things. Okay, oh, ganda. Sa energy ng card natin, this is energy of fruit of your labor, my dear Pisces. Okay, somebody na matagal, taob ka nga. Isang bagay, my dear. Somebody, nababasa ko siya, my dear. Okay, isang bagay, my dear, na matagal mo nang pinagtrabahuan, isang bagay, my dear, na matagal ka na nagsakripisyo, nagtiis, talagang inilaban mo, my dear, talagang naniwala ka talaga, my dear, inilaban mo talaga, my dear, ang magkakaroon ng bunga sa araw na to. But, meron mga impacta, my dear Pisces, around you na, they don't love it. They don't like it na meron kang surprise na somebody's recognizing yung ability, ang iyong talent. They don't like it, okay? Let me see, my dear, tama na. Okay, tama na. Sashuffle ko sana ito eh. Okay. Let me see, my dear. Let's go. May energy na nakaka-overwhelm. Bakit? Siguro dahil na-receive ko yung energy ng surprise. I feel little bit overwhelmed, okay? We have here the energy of the Three of Swords. Okay, paki-clarify, my dear, ang Three of Swords. Paki-clarify po ang ating Three of Swords. Sabi ko kanina, something na matagal mo nang tinatrabaho, something na matagal mo nang tinitiis, ang magbubunga ngayong araw na ito. Let me see, my dear. Three of Swords. What is going on? What's going on? Clarify natin yan. And I say, yes! May galaw, my dear Pisces, may galaw. Okay, Spirit of the Glass, are you in? Are you in? May galaw ang baso, my dear. Okay? Six of Swords, my dear. Okay? Galing sa isang worst na situation, my dear Pisces, papunta. Actually, hindi pa naman to 100% talaga na okay. Kasi baka meron talaga nangyari sa'yo talagang something talagang major talaga. Pero nabanggit ko naman kanina, my dear, sa card ni Capre pa lang, dito pa lang tayo, my dear, sa ating customized oracle card, na meron ka talagang isang bagay, my dear, na hindi mo talaga sinukuan. Talagang pinaglaban mo talaga siya, my dear. And eto na siya, okay? So, nagkakaroon ng konting move, my dear, sa energy ng Six of Swords. Okay, nagkakaroon ng konting galaw. You are moving forward, my dear. Okay? Additional cards pa tayo, my dear Pisces. Additional cards. Pisces, let me see what is going on. Pisces. What is this? We have here the energy of the Ten of Pentacles, okay? Pakiramdam ko, yeah. We have here the energy of the Knight of Pentacles. So, nakukuha ko dito, my dear, is resolving a problem, my dear. Okay? Resolving a problem na posibleng may kinalaman sa pamilya or may kinalaman sa relationship. So, this is very, very good, my dear Pisces. Maganda siya. Kasi kung meron mga stagnant na energy lately, meron mga bagay na hindi gumagalaw, meron mga bagay na mabigat sa iyong heart, sa energy ng Three of Swords, okay? This is the day, my dear, June 4, 2026 na nagkakaroon ng movement. Okay? And meron tayo ditong somebody makes a contract with the devil. So definitely, my dear, kung sino man, kung meron mang involved na tao, my dear, okay, na or naging dahilan kung bakit ka nalagay dito sa energy ng Three of Swords, hindi po siya masaya. Hindi po siya happy that you are moving forward sa araw na ito. Okay? Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius, my dear, or maybe energy ng air sign. Okay, maybe air sign, my dear, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and pwede naman Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Hindi close yung ibang zodiac sign dito, my dear. Welcome na welcome sila, pero as of this moment, we have the Sword and we have the Pentacles, which is energy ng Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, okay? Especially si Aquarius. Pero kung i-divert naman natin yung energy ni Aquarius, may kinalaman yun sa hope and dreams mo, my dear, okay? Let me see, my dear, let me see. Next card. Possible din, my dear, na makaisip ka ng solusyon ngayong araw na ito na magiging solusyon sa iyong problema. Okay. Let me see, my dear. Maganda tong araw na to, my dear. Hindi man siya yung typical na parang bongga na pasabog, pero at least may nangyayari. May nangyayari. Sa pera, okay din. Okay. Let me see. So, this energy ng mind. So, posible nagkakaroon ka ng clarity. Okay, we have here the energy of kita mo to? Sun card. Okay, for some of you, my dears, nag-new beginnings kayo. Slowly but surely, my dear, nag-new beginnings kayo. Ang ganda. I love the energy, my dear Pisces. Or mag-i-start ka na panibagong chapter of your life, okay? From the stormy. Oh, the strength card. Oh, ano ka dyan? Lamang na lamang yung yellow, my dear. Naninilaw. Okay, oh, naninilaw yung readings natin. Oh, ano ka dyan? Oh, 'di ba? This is a happy card, my dear, okay? Wala ka na dun sa stuck na position, my dear. Wala ka na dun sa pagdadalamhati. Although sabihin natin, sige, sariwa pa rin talaga sa iyo kung ano man yan. Syempre, depende sa sitwasyon, my dear Pisces. Maybe for some of you, relationship. Maybe for some of you, is may kinalaman sa struggle mo, sa trabaho, sa pera, sa career, sa kaibigan, sa pamilya. Whatever it is, my dear, na dala-dala mo inside your heart. Inside your heart, my dear. Okay? Inside your heart, you are moving forward sa energy ng Six of Swords, okay? You are moving forward sa energy ng Six of Swords. Hindi to yung parang, mamaya ha, meron mag-comment dyan sa comment section, talagang sasakalin ko talaga. Hindi naman, parang wala naman. This is going to be very slowly, okay? Ibig sabihin ngayong araw na ito, June 4, 2026, my dear Pisces, this is the day na dahan-dahan mo nang nile-let go yung mga dapat na i-let go, okay? You are moving forward, my dear, okay? May mga problema na masusolusyonan, okay? Lalo na, my dear, kung may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal. Mga family issue, my dear, okay? Dahan-dahan na siya nare-resolve, okay? Slowly. Hindi right away, sabi ko dahan-dahan, ha? Mamaya kasi meron mag-comment talaga sa bawah, talaga sasakalin ko talaga, ha? Okay. We have here the energy of the Strength card and the Sun card. Actually, Sun card and the Strength card. This is very, very nice, my dear. Kasi sinasabi dito, my dear, that you are ready to make a new beginning. Okay? Dinahandahan ko siya, my dear. Okay? Panibagong umaga, panibagong buhay, anything, new talaga siya, new. A new. A wonderful day. Let me see, my dear. My dear Pisces, let me see what is going on. Maybe you will be receiving good news ngayong araw na to, my dear. Good news. Pisces, ganito, ganyan. Blah, 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 blah. Ganon. Okay. Although, like, hindi right away yung progress, okay? Pero, the King of Pentacles, my dear, ang taas. Okay. Involved na zodiac sign once again, my dear, is Aquarius. Posibleng energy ng Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, especially Aquarius. Ano ba yan? O okay ka lang? Okay. Walang cut to, my dear. Hindi ako nagka-cut. Hindi din ako mag-edit. Okay ka lang? Nagkabukol ka ba? Nahilo ka ba? Oh. Okay na yung okay ka. Okay ka? Are you okay? Comment down below. Are you okay? Nagkabukol ka ba? Nahilo ka ba? Bumagsak yung cellphone. Kasi kagaganon ko ng kagaganon ng table, bumagsak yung table, bumagsak yung cellphone. Okay. Once again, nasan ba ako? Aquarius. Okay? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And we have here, dalawang Leo sa energy ng fire sign. Okay? Ito yung nanakit sa'yo. Okay. Probably, my dear, ito din yung zodiac sign na hindi masaya na nakaka-move on ka na, my dear. Okay. Dalawang Leo. They are not happy for you, my dear Pisces. Bakit sabi ko they are not happy? More than one? Sabi ko they are not happy. Kasi sabi naman dito sa card natin, somebody makes a contract with signing with a devil. This is more on, parang hindi naman niya sinabi na marami. Pero for some of you, baka marami. Kasi nabanggit ko yung they. They will not be happy for you. Okay, let me see, my dear. Last card na tayo. Ay, nakaharap. Two of Pentacles, maganda yon. Balancing, my dear. Okay, balancing. Two of Pentacles, balancing. Naayos, nasasaayos, gumaganda na ang flow ng kaperahan. Okay? Let me see, my dear, paki-clarify. Si King of Pentacles, very stable na energy na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal. Okay, we have here the energy of the Justice, energy ni Libra. Okay? So, my dear, gumaganda ang ihip ng hangin, lalo, my dear, sa usapin ng pinansyal. Congratulations, okay? Congratulations, my dear. I just love your energy, my dear. Lalo na tong baba na to. Ang ganda talaga, very positive. Actually, lahat naman sila positive. From here to here, lahat positive. Ang negative lang talaga dito, eto lang. Etong dalawa lang na ito, my dear. So, sinasabi, my dear, that you are getting out from this Three of Swords, okay? Kung ano man tong masakit sa puso, ano man tong bagay na hindi ka nakaka-move on or nakaka-recover, you're getting out from this situation, my dear, okay? Once again, merong mga hindi natutuwa that you are moving on or moving forward. Bottom deck of the card is the Ten of Swords, my dear, okay? Slowly but surely, kinakaya mo talaga, my dear, ang sitwasyon. Okay? Inilalaban mo talaga siya, my dear. Okay? Kukuha ako ng bonus card for you. I don't do this all the time, my dear, but I will do it right now. We have here the Emperor. Dan dararan dan 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 dan. This is more on success, my dear Pisces. Congratulations. Okay? I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you kasi you decided na sa kabila ng bagyo, ng sakuna, ng ulan, sa kabila ng pagkakabagsak mo kanina, ay bumangon ka, my dear. I'm so happy for you. No, I hope na hindi ka nabukulan kanina, no? So, ang ganda, my dear. This is energy of success. Congratulations. Kagaya na sinasabi ko, my dear, hindi man ito kaagad-agad. Pero this is a confirmation, my dear Pisces, that you are on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Okay. My dear Pisces, hindi ko alam kung ano itatitle ko dito. Ang pagbagsak ng cellphone. Okay. So, my dear Pisces, ito ang nasagap natin na message energy para sa araw na ito, June 4, 2026. Okay, kagaya po na sinabi ko, my dear, sa bandang unahan ng ating video, tanging hiling at dasal ko lamang po sa ating buong may kapal na ang mga readings na ginagawa ko ay nakakatulong po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Pisces. Bye-bye!